Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to subscribe to a post, thereby getting notifications if someone adds a comment to it. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should select the post that you are interested in, tap on it, and as you can see at the top of the screen there is a bell button, so just simply click on it if you would like to subscribe to this post, so that you will be notified if any changes happen to this post, meaning that someone adds a comment to it or anything else. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.